Hey crafty people, in this video we're going to be talking about abbreviation RND, which stands for round. So a round is basically any time that you knit without turning the work. So a square stitch or a square sample like this, you go back and forth, turning, flipping your work as you're going about it. Whereas a round is you just go around and around and around, and your stitches are all aligned in the same way. So it could be something like the circle here. It's worked in a round from the center and out. Or it can be a tubular round. So something like this, where you get a number of chains and then work up, joining every single row, both with the round or the circular round example and the tubular round example. You join rows with a slip stitch. So yeah, that is a round. So if you're making any kind of like plushies, things like that, they tend to be in a round and shaped out in that way. And that's why you've got the like uniform of every stitch on every single row. And yeah, anyway, so RND stands for round. Can be used for garments, plushies, doilies, any kind of thing like that. You just go in the round and don't flip your work back and forth.